French Air Force 9170, cleared Lima Whiskey 1 up to 190. The number 1 to squawk 3137 and after tower expect RAPCON north on frequency 284475.
French Air Force 9170 after flyby. You are Lima Whiskey 1, tracking 190, squawking 3637 and RAPCON north 28445.
Yeah, the squawk is 3137, only for the lead.
3137, squawk for the lead.
French Air Force 9170, correct. Cross Foxtrot and back track rocket. Roger.
Tower, French Air Force 9170, good afternoon. Falling 2-3, ready for departure, then flyby. Last on into the north 2000 feet, there's going to be a flyby overhead for I-40.
French Air Force 9170, so copy line up on weight runway 23.
Training up, runway 23. French Air Force 9170.
Expect flyby after the F-35 has landed.
Copy.
French Air Force 9170, runway 23, clear takeoff. The wind is 27014.
Ja, takeoff 23, French Air Force 9170.
Nou ja, Rafales, ja, leuk. Als er 6 komen, dan heb je misschien ook een 1 uur. En dan moet ik allemaal zo hebben. Dus hier heb ik ook wel heel veel, ja.
French Air Force 9170, holding 10 miles north, waiting for your clearance for flyby.
French Air Force 9170, proceed to 6 miles final, runway 23. Dimensions F-35 is now 2 miles final.
French Air Force 9170. Go check. Hi. French Air Force 9170, proceeding initial 23 for flyby.
French Air Force 9170, you are clear to proceed, the wind 26014.
French Air Force.
Yeah, French Air Force 9170, good afternoon again indeed. You are loud and clear and identified. Continue climb Flightlevel 190 and recycle transponder 0161.
0161 climbing 190, French Air Force 9170.